So I was just kind of experimenting, right? And I got these two servos on this little plane that I'm building, but this is kind of, I just started going off on a little experimental binge, right? And I got the Arduino Mega, right? Started getting this Python script going. And what it is it's using a Olama LLM. And right now I'm using Gemma 3.4b. And what we've told it is we've told it to respond in these, with these values. And we've told it that it's controlling a microcontroller and that it needs to respond to these values like a pin. These are the servo. It's the pin number, then the servo value, then the time that it should be there relative to the moment that the Arduino Mega received the command. And so we've told it, hey, you have to do these in chronological order as well, right? Now, we did kind of explain to it a little bit of logic. Like you have to give us alternating values if you're going to simulate a motion like a wave or whatever, right? Now, the cool thing about this is that this thing can think on its own, right? Like we can tell it to point up. And I'm going to go ahead and do that now, right? But we can tell it to point up, it goes up. We told it which way is up. We can tell it to point down, it goes down. We told it which way was down. Now, one thing that we didn't do is we didn't tell it where the sky was. We didn't tell it where outer space was. We didn't tell it how gravity moves. We didn't tell it, you know, which way a rock falls. But check this out. Which way does a balloon float with helium? Which way does a rock fall out of my hand? Point to the floor. See how it remained the same? All right, point to the